Okay, I guess you can call this part 3G, even though part 3 technically on the sheet ends at F. But I want to check the amount of DNA that we got from the gel purification before we do the ligation. In order to do that, we're going to just run a standard gel. You can see I have both the pattern set up for the gel loading and also what I'm going to use, which is going to be 10 microliters final volume total of your DNA fragments. So I'm going to use 3 microliters of each of your gel purified cut pGLO PCR products. So we'll see how it looks. All right, so that is it. Okay, so I've already put water and the 6/6 sample buffer in. So I'm just gonna pipette in the DNA for each of these. I'll pause it in a minute. Remember, I'm taking 3 microliters of DNA for each one. So just gotta make sure I put them in the correct tubes. That's pretty much it. When I'm all done with these, then what I'll do is finger flick them and spin them down. And then we'll load them. And then we'll have the gel ready to go. So I'm not gonna sit here and make you watch me fill 14 tubes, but that's the plan. All right, let me pause it again. Up. Okay, so very exciting, loading them up. Samples are all prepared, so I've got all the DNA in, the sample buffer in, water in. Now I just gotta load them. So it's also very exciting setting up a gel. We might as well take a quick look at that. Because we got to get it set up. You might as well make sure you know how to do it. You just pull the combs out, straight up. Take the dams off the end. The notch goes with the notch. And then we add TAE to cover. And then we load them up. I'm just gonna set my pipette. And I think I'll use a yellow one for 10 or 11 microliters. Guess I'll just set it for 11 microliters, that'll be good enough. And I'm gonna do the ladder first. They go in well 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so ladder's done. And then all the other ones pretty much go in the order on the board. So A, B, M, P, up we go. JMM. Trip. Okay, JAM. So we got 4 more for the left side. Sarah. Alexander. Isaiah. Skip the bottom. Okay, so Sophie. Oh, Sophie is, okay, I'm gonna have to switch Sophie and Parker. Parker was supposed to be at the bottom, so Parker will be there, so I'll fix that. And Julia. Connor. KB. Switch these around a bit too, because I'm trying to hurry. And Carly. All right, so let's pause it for the. Okay, so that shows the new GEL order there, now that it's been corrected. And we just gotta fire them up. Red to red, black to black, 150 volts, and we're gonna let it go for 45 minutes. Okay, it's actually finally fixed. Sophie's is the 1, 2 from the bottom on the right, and Parker's is the 1, 3 from the bottom on the right. GEL's run long enough. So we're gonna pull it out, turn it off. And now I'm gonna put, excuse me by the way, and now I'm gonna put ethylene bromide coated sheets on top. So I'm gonna go get those. Okay, so the ethylene bromide sheets, Instastain, they always come with a layer of plastic on top. So something like this, you gotta pry it off, and peel it carefully away before you put it on. The stuff is also light sensitive and carcinogenic, so that's why I'm wearing gloves, so I don't have to touch it. Would hate to get cancer from this, that would be bad. Okay, and then because it's light sensitive, I'm gonna put a little aluminum foil on top. And now we get to wait another 20 minutes. Okay, that's long enough. We're gonna go back and we're gonna put it on the transluminator and find out if we have any DNA. Hopefully everybody will have some. Okay, lights. Gotta put all the lights out because it's gonna be pretty dark. Here's the transluminator. This is what we usually use to look at this stuff. Make it dark. You can see it's a pretty crappy transluminator, but it is what it is. Hopefully we have some DNA. Well, we have a little, but not much. I might put another ethidium bromide patch on. Well, not a patch, but the staining thing, and see if we can get a little more stain, because it looks too light to me. It's hard to see, but the reason why is because the band runs exactly at the same spot as one of the dyes in the loading buffer. But you can see there are some faint bands. They're just about where they're supposed to be, 600 base pairs. So, I wonder if we can see them over here. Yeah, you can see them if you look at them at an angle.